Hi, welcome back to ISTV. We're going to study about counting patterns, rounding off, place value, first grade, mathematics. Are you ready to learn with me today? Now our first exercises is a number pattern. Find the missing number. Number 1, we have 3, 6, blank, 12, and blank. Find the missing sequence of this number 3, 6, blank, and 12. I'm going to do it for you, okay? 3, 6, 9, then 12, and 15. Okay? You got it? Can you do the rest for me, children? The missing sequence of a number. Take your time to answer this one. I presume that everybody was finished. Okay? In math, every digit in a number has a place value. What is place value? Place value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in a number. Okay? Digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are the digits we use in every numeral. Now, we're going to learn about the place value. We're going to start the individual blocks. Okay, how many individual blocks we had? We had 4. We're going to write number 4 in the first box in the right. Okay, when we're going to write a number, we're going to start from the right to the left. Okay, so how many individual we had? We had 4. We're going to call this one ones place. Okay, ones place, it's tell how many individual we had. Next, we have a group of 10. Okay, how many group of 10 we had? We had 2. We're going to call this one 10 place. We'll write it in the second box to the left. Okay, tens place, it's tell how many group of tens we had. Next, we have a group of 100. How many hundreds we had? We had 1. So we're going to write it in the third box. Okay? We're going to call this one 100 place. 100 place, it's tell how many group of hundreds we had. Next, we have a group of 1,000. How many group of 1,000 we had? 5. We're going to write 5 here in this box. Okay, 5 at, we're going to call this one thousands place. Thousands place is tell how many group of thousands we had. Have you noticed, children, that every time we have a bigger number of group, we place into the left of a new number place? That's how the number system works. Okay? Now we're going to study number blocks using a place value. Ready? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have one group of 10. 1, 10. And we have individual 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 1, 10 and 4 ones. Next, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 3 group of tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 3 tens and 5 ones. Next, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 2 group of tens. Okay? 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 2 group of 10 and 7 individual. So we have 2 tens and 7 ones. Next, 1 group of 10 and we have 9 individual. Okay, we have 10 tens and 9 ones. Got it? Now we're going to try to answer this one. Tell me how many group of tens and how many individuals we had. Can you count it for me? Are you ready? How many group of tens we had and how many individual we had? You have an answer? Okay, it's 3 tens and 4 ones. Next, we have how many group of tens and how many individual we had? Can you tell me the answer? It's 5 tens and 6 ones. Next, how many group of tens and how many individual we had? We had an answer? We have 6 tens and 8 ones. Next, how many group of tens we had and how many individual? You have an answer? We have 7 tens and 3 ones. Next, we have how many group of tens and how many individual we had. Do you have an answer? We have 4 tens and 7 ones. Got it? How to write in expanded form? Expanded form is a combination of different groups. The first thing we need to learn in expanded form is how much is each digit worth. Now we have example 78. 7 in this number is in the tens place, right? So it's worth 70. And 8 is in ones place, so it's worth 8. So we're going to write like this: 70 plus 8. Next, we have 324. 3 in this number is in the hundreds place, so it's worth 300. And 2 is in the tens place, so it's worth 20. And 4 is in the ones place, so it's worth 4. Okay, so we're going to write this way: 300 plus 20 plus 4. Next, we have 50. 5 in this number is in the tens place, so it's worth 50. And 0 is in the ones place, so it's worth 0. So we're going to write this way: 50 plus 0. In writing standard form, we just stretch out the number. Got it? Now I have some exercises here, children. Can you do it for me? Letter A, write the correct tens and ones in the given number. Check it's easy when you're going to answer this one. Try to pause the video so you could follow. Letter B, write the correct hundreds, tens, and ones in the given number. Okay? Pause the video if you could not follow. I presume that everybody was finished. Exercises letter C. What is the place value of the underlined digit? Number 1, we have the underlined digit number. Okay, I'm going to do it for you so you have something to follow. Okay, the underlined digit 4 is in the tens place. What is the place value? Tens. Okay, now can you do the rest for me, children? Look at the underlined digit number and tell me what is the place value of the underlined digit. Letter D, add the tens and ones. Can you do these exercises for me? Take your time when doing this one. I presume that everybody was finished. If not, just try to pause the video and continue what you're doing. Okay? Letter E, write the expanded form of the following number. Number 1 is 72. I'm going to do it for you, okay? Now, the first number. Number 1 is 72. So how are you going to expand this one? 70 plus 2. This one is expanded form. This one is written in standard form. Okay? Can you do the rest for me, children? Okay? Letter F, round off to the nearest 10. Okay? This one is 2-digit number. If you're going to round off to the nearest 10, you're going to look at the ones place. Okay? Just look at if it's round up or round down. Okay? If it's round up, add 1 to 10, but if it's round down, retain the number and change the number to the left, no, I mean to the right, to 0. Okay? I presume that everybody was finished. If not, just pause the video and continue. Okay? Next. Exercises letter G. Write the number in standard form. Okay? We have a number 1. And this one is standard form, remember? Then you're going to write your answer here. What is the missing standard form? Okay? This is called expanded form. Okay? What is the missing here? I'm going to do it for you. 40 plus 5. The missing number here is 45. Okay? That's written in standard form. Okay? Can you do the rest of exercises for me? Next, we have letter H. Write the missing number in expanded form. This one is expanded form, but some number are missing. What missing number here? Can you write this blank for me? Can you do this for me, children? These exercises? I presume that everybody was finished. What is rounding off? Digits 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are round down digit. Digit 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are round up digit. It means that rounding off a number is made simpler by keeping its value intact but closer to the next number. Rounding off is a type of estimating. Now we have an example. 67. We're going to round off to the nearest 10. Okay? To round this off, you're going to look at the ones place. Okay? 7 is round up or round down? It's round up, right? We're going to add 1 here. So 1 plus 6 equals 7. And this one, we're going to change it to 0. So 67 is rounded to 70. Next, we have 53. Now, we're going to look at the digit 3. Okay? It's round up or round down? It's round down. Okay? So we're going to retain the number 5 and change this number to 0. Okay? We're going to retain 5 and change it 0. Okay? So 53 is rounded to 50. Got it? Now we have exercises here. Letter A, round off to the nearest 10. Okay? Number 1, 56. I'm going to do this for you. Okay? The first one. 56. Look at the first digit. Here. Okay. 6 is round up or round down? It's round up, right? So we're going to add 1 here and change this number to 0. Okay? So 1 plus 5 equals 6. Therefore, 56 is rounded to 60. Understand? Can you do the rest of the exercises for me, children? Just to remember the round down digit and round up digit. Okay? If it's round down, just retain the number and change the number to the right to 0. And if it's round up, add 1 to the rounded number and change the digit in the right to 0. Letter B, round off to the nearest 100. In rounding off to the nearest 100, you're going to look at the two highest place value. So this tens and 100. Okay? You're going to look at the tens place. Okay? It's round up, round down. It's round down. Okay? You're going to retain this number and all these digits you're going to change it to 0. Okay? Therefore, 140 is rounded to 100. Okay? In rounding off the 100, look at the tens place and the 100 place. Okay? Can you do the rest of the exercises for me? I presume that everybody was finished. Thank you, children, for watching my video. See you on my next video. I'm making a series from 1st grade to 6th grade. Please hit the like and follow me in my Facebook, IAB blog. And also, I have a YouTube channel. Please visit there and subscribe. It's Aya Muller. I leave the link below on my Facebook page, and leave a comment also below. And please do me a favor, share this video to your friends. Those have difficulty to find some references. I'm very glad if this video could reach as many children as possible, and hope they're going to love and learn mathematics. Okay, thank you. Stay safe always.